Would you eat food flooded with bacteria? Don't shy away yet, as these bacteria are good for your gut. Fermentation is a process where bacteria and yeast break down the starches and sugars in food, resulting in probiotics that improve your digestion, immune system, and could even help you get rid of those extra pounds. Can you guess the name of this drink that could kill cancer cells? Or this one that samurai warriors loved? What about this grain? It was kept a secret by an entire community. Stick around to uncover the mysteries of these delicious foods. Natto. This healthy food was created by accident in Japan. Someone, not naming any names, left warm, cooked soybeans in a sack on their horse's back. The animal's heat helped ferment the beans, and a superfood was born.
Oh my gosh!
Natto has a slimy, sticky texture and a nutty flavor. It smells a bit intense. It's served with cooked rice, and you can add soy sauce, mustard, or chives on top, or whatever you like, really. Oh, and natto goes straight to your heart. Regularly eating it is linked to greater heart health and stronger bones, thanks to its high amount of vitamin K. Kombucha. Chances are you've heard of this trendy drink before. It's made from fermented sweet black tea or green tea. It's fizzy, refreshing, and tastes tart and strong. I don't know how something tastes strong, but it does. Kombucha's origin traces back to northeast China around 220 BCE, where people celebrated its healing qualities. The drink arrived in Europe in the 20th century and quickly became a favorite. This tea has a high gluconic acid content that helps detoxify the body. Also, test tube studies have found that it might help kill cancer cells. Kefir, or Kefir, depending on where you are in the world. You might think of kefir as yogurt, but do you know it's a grain? The native people of the northern Caucasus region of Russia kept it a secret until the 1900s. A legend says that the Prophet Muhammad gave kefir grains to the Orthodox Christians of the region and taught them how to make this yogurt. That isn't really yogurt. When you add kefir grains to milk, it creates a thick, tangy substance that you can blend into smoothies. Miso. This is a seasoning with a long history. The Japanese have used it since it arrived from China in the 7th century. Like natto, miso is usually made from soybeans, but it has another special ingredient. It's fermented with a fungus named koji. Cooks make miso into soup, paste, and stock, and you can spread it on vegetables or eat it alone. It contains all the essential amino acids humans need. No wonder miso soup was a big part of the samurai warrior's diet. Kimchi. Koreans love eating this side dish so much that they consume 2 million tons of it every year. Kimchi is made from fermented vegetables like celery or cucumber, but the traditional version is made from cabbage. Koreans had been fermenting cabbage to preserve it since it arrived in the country. Kimchi can be added to noodle bowls or even sandwiches. You might want to add it to, everything, since it can slow aging and help you lose weight. Speaking of fermented foods, would you dare try this fermented fish from Sweden that smells like sewage? If you're up to the challenge, click on the next episode of Origins of Food.